Yo, um, just wanted to make a video to demonstrate a little experiment I've been doing for a while. It's a little guitar tuning experiment. A while back, I've seen a video of a Music is Win on YouTube, a guitar YouTuber. Music is Win. He was demonstrating something that he called the Greek bouzouki tuning, which essentially consisted in grabbing the top E string or the bottom E string, the high E string, like detuning it and putting it in the same slot as the B string, and tuning it into unison with the B string, which sounded pretty cool in my opinion. And so he demonstrated on the electric guitar, and I tried it, thought it was really fun, but then I thought, what if we tried to do it with all the strings? So if you do this, you can turn a 6-string guitar into a 3-string guitar. Bouzoukis normally have 4 strings. There's different kinds of bouzouki's, so I don't know what this is. Bouzoukis sound a lot like, I don't know, like very low tuned mandolins, I guess. I don't know. It's essentially what a mandolin is. It's like 4 strings tuned into like double strings, so 8 strings. But so this is what I got, and I've been farting around with this kind of tunings for a while. Made a bunch of tracks, which I'll probably never release anyways. But so this is what I got now. So I've tuned. I've taken this the A string, put it in the E string groove, and then the G string into the D string. Wait, no. Yes, that's what it is. G string into a D string slot, and I've tuned them like that. So this is. So this is the first 2 strings, which are, that's a D, and then that's another D. Then that's another D 1 octave up. And then there's I've tuned this into an A. So what it is essentially is just the power chord of like D, this is the 5th. So, like, the really cool thing about this is that what it does is that there's a lot of harmonics that occur from, like, strings buzzing together. These strings are very close together, too close together, much closer than on a bouzouki. Like, they touch each other when they vibrate, and so it causes a lot of like sympathetic ringing, which in my opinion sounds really cool. This sounds kind of like a sitar or something like that, and like I think there's a lot of potential for really cool results. So like it creates this natural chorus effect because the strings are never completely in tune with each other. There's always this slight variation. And so it's really cool. I've been trying this, I've been recording it like and then like doubling it, which like makes for even more chorusing. Really beautiful and lush. And like you can do some really cool things to this, like I use this second string. I treat this as 1 string. This is 2 strings, but to me it's like, in my way of thinking, this is just a 3 strings instrument right now. So I use this as a drone, or this one as a drone, and like what you can do is like this, for example. like I think this is awesome, and it immediately put me in a zone to write stuff. Like I easily get in a rut with instruments. This is like a totally new instrument to me now, and as I said, I've been experimenting with this a bunch. I've tried. This is just one kind of tuning, but like I've tried different combinations and stuff. I've tried it on electric guitar, on nylon guitar, anything. So I just wanted to put that out there because I think it's really cool. And if anyone happens to see this and would like to give it a shot, just give it a whirl, and I would love to hear what you guys come up with because I think this is really cool. There's so many possibilities, and yet this only has 3 strings. It's very limited, which I think is what creates a lot of possibilities. Like for example, this how when you start to bend or play with vibrato, like what happens is that like the strings are like they become even more out of tune as you bend it because the tension is very different on both on these strings. And so like what it does is that like when you bend it, when you bend both of these strings at the same time, what it does is that it like the one string will bend much easier than the other. So like they will like spread out as you bend it. Like and back to normal. So there's like a lot of tension that occurs from this microtonal funk. I think it's awesome. So yeah, just like if you guys want to give it a whirl, if anyone happens to be seeing this, I doubt it, but I would love to hear what you guys come up with. Yeah, I'll see you around. Bye bye now.